Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my vlog. For this video, I will be discussing about grass. Its amazing uses to our garden, which most people don't know. In our mini farm, one of the problems that we are experiencing is how to maintain the soil grass-free for our plants. We do not want the grass to grow near our plants because they are taking up nutrients in the soil which should be for our main plants. As you can see here, there are lots of grass in our mini farm. That's why we use grass cutter to cut them down. If you want to know more about the grass cutter and how to use it, you may want to watch the Farmland Project Series video number 3 where I showed how to use the grass cutter. I put the video link in the description below. We need to cut down all this grass from our mini farm so that it will be cleared. But the question is, what are we going to do with the grass clippings? Some people don't know how to dispose it, so they resorted to burning the grass clippings, which is very wrong. Do not burn grass clippings because it will have a harmful effect to the environment. Some people also chooses to throw away the grass clippings in the garbage without knowing that there are various uses for it. You may use the grass clippings as a liquid fertilizer for your plants, which I will be showing you later on how to do it. You may also use it as part of your compost bin. And lastly, you can use it as an organic mulch. Please watch for the video on how to use grass clippings as an organic mulch that I will be uploading later on. But for now, let's discuss how to use grass clippings as a liquid fertilizer. The first thing you're gonna do is to collect the grass clippings from the area that you've cleared. These are the grass clippings from the grass cutter. We've already cleared this area a while ago. Grass clippings are good fertilizer because grass contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential nutrients for plant growth. After collecting all the grass clippings, you should put it inside the bucket. This is the kind of grass that commonly grow in our mini farm. One important note before doing this kind of fertilizer is to make sure that you are using grass that is not treated with herbicide. You should fill half of the bucket with grass clippings. You may notice that the grass clippings is a little wet because it's raining now here on our mini farm. That's why the soil is also not dry. Now we've filled half of the bucket with grass clippings. It's now time to put in some water. The water is muddy because the grass clippings are not dry, but in an ideal situation, it should not be that muddy. After putting water inside the bucket, let it stay there and cover it. Make sure to cover it properly so that mosquitoes will not use it as a breeding ground. We need to leave it for at least 3 days before we can use it to water your plants. But make sure to open it every day and stir it. On day 2, open it and stir it. Do this every day for at least 3 days or more if you want to leave it for more than 3 days before using it. Don't forget to cover it again after mixing. After 3 days, we can now use it to water our plants. Let's open it. Stir it. If you're planning to put it inside the container, you may use a strainer like this to filter the grass clippings from the grass clipping tea. For this video, we will just be using it directly to water our plant. I'm using this grass clippings liquid fertilizer in our lemon plant for 1 month now. I'm using this fertilizer once a week to water my plants. I'm gonna show you how my lemon plant looks like 3 months ago before I started using this fertilizer. As you can see, the fruit got bigger after applying the fertilizer. The other uses of grass clippings aside from using it as a fertilizer for your plants are: number 1, use it as an animal feed. You can feed grass clippings to your animals, but always remember to never use grass that has been chemically treated. Number 2, you can use it as part of your compost bin. You can put fresh grass clippings inside the bin in addition to some brown materials like dry leaves, branches, twigs, or papers. Number 3, you can use it in raised beds. You can put the grass clippings on the lower part of the beds together with the leaves. It will then slowly compost and it will enrich your soil with nutrients. And lastly, you can use it as organic mulch. Please watch out for our next video to know how to use grass clippings as organic mulch. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and comment in our videos. Thank you.